Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 budget-friendly ways to make your kitchen look a little bit more designer and luxurious without renovating. I'm all about little designer tips and tricks that you can do to really get that luxurious look on a budget, and kitchen renovations are very costly. So if you are saving for one, if you're not ready to renovate your kitchen, but you want to improve the look of it, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now you'll notice in designer kitchens that outlets are tucked away and hidden. They're usually strategically placed in areas where you won't see them because they're kind of an eyesore. But in most kitchens, we have our outlets plastered up against the wall, right at eye level. So it's one of the first things you actually see. So my tip is to hide your outlets however you can. And this can just be done with placing everyday decor or kitchen essentials in front of them, just to conceal the look of them. Wood cutting boards can be leaned up against your backsplash to conceal your outlets. You can also do the same thing with wall art. You can lean a nice piece of artwork in your kitchen. That makes it look really pretty. You can also conceal them with florals and vases, any kind of decorative boxes for organization, anything that will really bring that height in to cover the look of your outlet. So it's just a simple styling thing that you can do around your kitchen. You're not obstructing anything. Everything can be moved around, but it really cleans up the look of your kitchen. Sometimes when you look around at a kitchen and there's too many outlets against the backsplash, it creates a very busy look. So simply using your outlets as a styling opportunity will really improve the look of your kitchen. Now, if you want to create the experience of a high-end kitchen on a budget, switch out your existing hinges on your cabinet doors for soft close hinges. These are super budget friendly. You can remove your existing hinges and replace these within minutes, and you will have that soft close effect around your entire kitchen. This will give you that luxurious feeling with your existing cabinets that maybe you want to replace one day, but this overall feeling goes a very long way. When you have slamming cabinets, everything just feels a little bit cheap and loud, but having that securely closing, soft close effect on all of your cabinets will go such a long way. So if these little details kind of bother you, don't think that you need to go replace your entire kitchen cabinets to get that soft close effect. You can just swap out your hinges. So it's very budget friendly, very DIY friendly, and you can get that designer feel on a budget. Now, I always talk about adding trim and molding detail to your walls like I've done here, but you can also do the same thing to your cabinets. If you have any side panels on your cabinet, maybe the side of your fridge where your cabinet ends, maybe your kitchen island ends with a flat side panel, you can add some molding there to really finish it off and make it look a little bit more designer and expensive. This is such an easy, affordable DIY project that you can do that's really going to add this finishing touch to your kitchen. You can also kind of change the style and look of your cabinet doors and drawers by adding trim onto the doors. So if you have a simple shaker style door, you can add some decorative detail to add more depth and a little bit more of that designer feel. So you don't have to replace your doors as a whole. You can really create your own style with some trim detail. Give it a nice paint job or stain and you're good to go. It will really transform the look of your kitchen and you won't need to buy all new cabinets. Now, something I like to do almost every weekend in our kitchen to make our kitchen feel welcoming and look really fresh is simply style our food as decor. And this is usually done after I go grocery shopping or after I feel inspired to bake something. But having fruit and fresh baked goods and bread out on your countertop creates such a homey feel in your kitchen, no matter what it looks like. You can really do this seasonally too, to really add a pop of color and really bring in that seasonal touch. Apples look incredible in the fall, lemons look amazing in the summer. This can be done in a nice wood bowl, in a pretty ceramic bowl. You can really make it as decorative or functional as you want, but fruit goes a very long way. I love to do this with pastries, baked goods, bread. I actually just got my first bread baker. I'm so excited about it. It makes such good bread, and now I can style my bread loaves on my kitchen countertop, and it really creates this warm, welcoming feel. I treated myself to the bread maker on Walmart because they're having such good deals right now. From November 11th to November 17th, they're actually having Black Friday deals. So thank you so much again to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. So the deals start to go live on November 11th for Walmart Plus members and full access online. So if you like to shop on the Walmart app or online, you can definitely access all the deals then. And on November 15th, the deals go live in stores. So if you want to shop around in person, definitely check those out. They're going to start at 6 a.m. local time. Black Friday deals event is going to go until November 17th. So definitely mark those down on your calendar so you can get ahead of your holiday shopping or look for some of those items that you've been wanting for around your home. I actually got this sweater. I got the same one in white as well, which is so cute. I got another beautiful white appliance. I love the beautiful appliance line. They have such great pieces and I'm really starting to build my collection. I got a pack of 38 containers with tight seal lids. So now I have containers for everything. When we have leftovers over the holidays, I know this is going to be so useful. And I saw they had a deal on the Heart wet dry shop vac, and Christian's been looking for a shop vac. He's been really wanting one. So I'm surprising him with a brand new shop vac. A little early Christmas present. I'm so excited about it. They have deals on so many items: TVs, clothes, kids' toys, outdoor essentials, home items, kitchen essentials. They have everything. I like to just access my Walmart app from my phone and shop from the comfort of my home and have all of the great deals arrive at my doorstep. I'll have all of these items that I purchased on Walmart down below in the description box so you guys can shop them as well. Now, if you're working on a kitchen design, maybe you're looking to tweak a few things in your kitchen, always remember to leave space to decorate. I think it makes a huge difference when there's decorative space in your kitchen. This could be a simple wall. This could be the side panel of your fridge. This could be your kitchen countertops. Leave space for decorative elements in your kitchen and it will make your kitchen feel so much more a part of your home. I always recommend decorating with trays and groupings in your kitchen so you can really make it look intentional. The worst is when your decor starts to look like clutter, so you really have to do this strategically. If you don't have any vertical space to decorate with open shelving or anything like that, you can also consider removing maybe a single door off of your cabinets. This really only works in some situations, but it really does make a big impact, leaving space to decorate. Now, I mentioned this in my previous kitchen video, and it's usually the first thing you'd think about when you're trying to improve your kitchen on a budget, but consider painting. Now, this could just be simply painting your walls because maybe your wall color is the thing that's really throwing off your entire kitchen design. If you don't want to paint all of your cabinets, you could consider painting maybe just your kitchen island or painting just your lower cabinets. Sometimes breaking up the cabinet color makes a really big difference and makes your space look intentionally designed. That will add this trending design element to your home right now, and it will also add a ton of warmth. Paint is super affordable and it always makes the biggest impact. Now, every designer kitchen, for the most part, has a kitchen island, and kitchen islands really feel and look luxurious, but they're also super functional. They'll add a ton of storage to your space. It really gives you more serving space as well as worktop space, so they are definitely a must-have in a kitchen design. If you have a kitchen that has wraparound cabinets all the way around with a large open space, think about incorporating an island. Now, this doesn't have to be a fully custom island with countertops and all. This can just be a mobile cart or a small removable island. There's so many interesting ways of really creating that island effect in your kitchen that's going to give you extra storage space and really create some flow around your kitchen. So consider adding an island to your kitchen layout. It may be the thing that's missing in your space. It's not going to work for every kitchen. If you have a slim, narrow galley kitchen, this is not the thing that you can do. But if you have one of those large open spaces that's feeling a little empty, this is just the thing that you need. Now, another thing that you can tackle this weekend is your kitchen organization. The feeling of an organized kitchen creates a very high-end designer feeling. So when you open up your drawers and open up your cabinets and see an organized space, you're gonna feel so much better about your kitchen. Sometimes it's very overwhelming having a messy space, so cleaning that up with organization can go a very long way. I would start with your pantry because that's something that you might be seeing every day that could be causing some stress and making you not as happy about your kitchen. So creating some organization in your pantry with baskets, jars, containers, all of that will make such a big difference. Organizing your drawers and utensils and really going through your items and deciding what you really need and what you don't. Minimizing the clutter and keeping your space organized will transform the feel and look of your kitchen. So it's not always about the outside appearance of your kitchen and all of the designer details. It's also about what's behind those cabinet doors and does it feel and function like a designer kitchen. It's always fun to analyze designer beautiful kitchens and really just take small takeaways from them to incorporate into your kitchen. So if you can't get the entire look, think about the small things that you can do that are going to make a huge difference. Something I always notice is artwork. Artwork in kitchens makes for such a designer feel. You can simply lean art up against your backsplash to create a really homey designer look. You can also hang art in your kitchen. I love small art pieces in small areas of your kitchen that just add this little pop of interest. You can also hang art above your range hood and really incorporate art into your kitchen design. Creating moments around your kitchen intentionally for art makes for such a designer look. So that's a really fun way that you can add in color, your personality, your decorating style. You can bring together the entire style of your kitchen with your artwork. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas that you can use around your kitchen to improve the look of it. Let me know down below in the comments if you're going to try any of these tips and tricks in your home as well. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!